Hello everybody and welcome to another episode. In today's episode I'm going to show you how to remove the headlights from any Mercedes Benz C Class from the year 2012 and up. Today I'm working on this car and I'll have to remove the headlights in order for me to polish the lenses properly, and because of that I'll have to remove the headlights completely out of the car. So this is why I decided, guys, to show you all how to do it on this car. So as you can see, right here is the first bolt which is securing the headlight mounted to the car at the top part. Then the second one is right here and you'll have to use a long extension to reach it. And the third one is located right here underneath the wheel dust protection. And you'll have to use an 8mm socket for all of these 3 bolts if you want to remove them. After you remove all of these 3 bolts, you'll have to remove the connector from behind the headlight, and then you will be able to remove it completely out of the car. So if you want to remove the headlight from this car, you'll have to remove the bumper first, because otherwise you won't be able to remove the headlight because it's hitting into the bumper. So you'll have to remove the bumper first, and only after that you can go ahead and remove the headlight. But you all are very lucky, because I will put a link in the description down below with another video of mine where I will show you all how to remove the front bumper from this car. And after you see that video, you'll have to come back on this video and you'll have to see how to remove the headlight on this car. So you don't have to worry about anything, just watch those 2 videos and you'll be good to go if you want to remove the headlights or the bumper from any kind of car like this one. From here, just follow what I'm doing. As you can see, I already removed the 2 screws from the top, and right here, this is the last screw which is behind the headlight. Alright everybody, right here I removed the 3 screws which are securing the headlight mounted to the car, and right now all I have to do is to pull it out and disconnect the power supply from behind the headlight. And after that you will be able to put it everywhere you want, because after you remove the connector, the headlight is ready to be removed completely out of the vehicle. To remove the connector from behind, you'll have to pull from the little plastic bracket just a little bit, and then you'll have to push it down, and in this way it will release the connector and it will make the headlight come out completely out of the vehicle. In my case, I'm using this tool. It's a sharp tool and it's very easy to use if you want to disconnect any connectors or if you want to push any plastic clips, because this is very small and it will help you to fit in any place on your car. Alright everybody, so as you can see, this is how to remove the headlight from any Mercedes Benz C Class from the year 2012 and up. Thank you all for watching. If you like this video and found it informative, please leave a like and a comment down below. See you next time.